My intuition is inefficient and overrated. My inhibitions got me itching, altered my thinking in all kinds of ways. And how do I fix it? What am I missing? I took a visit to a lonely place, and the feeling's sticking, won't diminish. When will I finish loving you this way? And why don't people take their own advice? I'd be better off if I took mine. If I wanted to, I could go after you, but nothing happens like it does in my head. I'm not in love with you, or maybe I'm afraid of you, 'cause I'm scared of feeling pathetic in the end. Go on and break, just break me. Go on and break, just break me. I think I wrecked it, that's what I expected. Am I pathetic for thinking like that? Do I regret it? Yeah, all of the time. My recollections of my intentions were so electric, or something like that. But I invested too much of the time. Why don't people take their own advice? I'd be better off if I took mine. If I wanted to, I could go after you, but nothing happens like it does in my head. I'm not in love with you, but maybe I'm afraid of you, 'cause I'm scared of feeling pathetic in the end. Go on and break, just break me. Go on and break, just break me. guess I'll have to sit and rest because it's too long till I get home. They'll all be gone, I'll be unknown. What will be left of me? Will my lungs still breathe? Will I still have both shoes on my feet? Cause I'm fading out, feeling so jaded now. Yeah, I'm fading out, feeling so jaded now. I'm fading out, I'm fading out. Cause I'm fading, cause I'm fading out. Cause I'm fading, cause I'm fading out. Cause I'm fading, cause I'm what it's worth. I've never not overthinking if it's in this is I'm listening. But you seem to make me feel different. For what it's worth, I always seem to be breathing, trying to word how I'm feeling. You empathize, I can feel it. Passenger side in your car, we'll go driving through canyons until we're deserted. Milky Way, the summer stars, I can know we'd be certain. I'll be gone all night. 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 I will be coming home, coming home. I will be coming home, coming home. For what it's worth, I either feel like I'm too much or constant shit I'm gonna fall short. With you I forget what it's all for. For what it's worth, I'm always gazed at the ceiling, searching for some kind of meaning. You empathize, I can feel it. Passenger side in your car, we'll go driving through canyons until we're deserted. Milky Way, the summer stars, I can know we'd be certain. I'll be gone all night. 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 I'll be coming home, coming home. I'll be coming home, coming home. I'll be said again. Up in my head again. Up in my head again. Up in my head again. Up in my nothing's hurting when I don't think about it. Won't stop hurting till I learn to live without Nothing's broken if I don't hold the pieces. Most things don't just fix themselves. I'm not wishing things could end. I just wish I could pretend there's no burden. Nothing's hurting. I'm not wishing for revenge. I just wish I could pretend there's no burden. Nothing's hurting. Nothing's burning if I don't smell the fire. Nothing's yearning up if I hide my desire. Nothing happens if I don't remember. Most things don't undo themselves.